How to buy a house with no credit. Option 1, be born into a rich family and ask your parents to buy your house with cash. Option 2, work and save up to buy a house with cash if you have the patience and the income and can somehow avoid inflating house prices. All kidding aside, is it even possible to buy a house with no credit? The short answer is yes, it's possible, but in general, it's going to take more effort than buying a house with a credit score. When you apply for a mortgage to buy a house, the first thing a lender will do is determine your credit worthiness by checking your credit score. Not having one makes your application more complicated. So to get you approved, they would have to manually underwrite your loan instead of going through their automatic process. And manual underwriting is time consuming because a loan officer will need to personally review at least a few years worth of financial documents to evaluate your credit worthiness. And the kind of financial documents that they ask for can be pretty extensive. They can ask for proof that you've paid your rent, utilities, cell phone bills, insurance bills, and other recurring expenses regularly and on time. They could also ask for bank statements, tax returns, employment history, pay stubs, retirement account information, proof of any assets you may own, like a car, and other types of documentation. Manual underwriting is also uncommon among lenders, so you have to hunt for one that will do it. That means that you'll have fewer lenders to choose from, and you might not be able to shop around for the best rates. Is manual underwriting worth it? You can decide, but I don't think so. Your credit score is one of the main factors of the home buying process that it's actually within your control. So why apply for a loan with no credit and leave it to chance or be at the mercy of the lender? And not only that, but manual underwriting could cost you your dream home. When housing markets are competitive, time is of the essence. I live in one of those competitive housing markets, and I got my offer accepted because I promised the seller a 45-day closing. Getting my loan manually underwritten would have delayed everything, and I might not have secured the home that I wanted had I gone that route. Building good credit might be slower than taking out a loan with no credit, but it's worth it. And there are a few ways that you can build good credit. You can start by applying for a credit card and just start charging a regular expense that you would have spent money on anyway. So this could be your phone or your insurance bill or even some groceries. And then you pay off your balance in full and on time every month. Also, if you have a trusted friend or family member, you can ask to be added as an authorized user, and so you'll have access to the same line of credit. And when they make their credit card payment, you'll get a boost in your credit score over time. So after about 6 months, you're gonna have enough credit history to generate a credit score, and you can start the process of making your home buying dreams a reality.